Yazi la kunobulungiswa obungenzeki empilweni yakho. Lobu bulungiswa abenzeki ngenxa yakho futhi. And you become more and more powerless. Yabona lapho ekuphela khona ukucabanga kwengqondo. Yila khona umdali ethathisa umsebenzi. Kusho ukuthi i-reasoning capacity yakho nokwazi kwakho la kuphelela khona ukuthi wena uhlakaniphile, you can figure out life with your own mind. La kuphela khona ila khona umdali eqalisa khona umsebenzi, the art of surrendering. Mawucabanga wena ukuhlangana kagogo wakho nomkhulu wakho kuze kwakhe kuma wakho kuze kwakhe kubaba wakho, kuphinde kuzohlangana ubaba wakho ehlangana nomama wakho kuze kuzophuma wena, ucabanga ukuthi ayikho ipurpose kuyona yonke lento? Ayikho. Kumane kuyi-random selection nje. Lalela ngikutsheleke mina, kuhamba nge-order nange-purpose. Njengamanje leyo purpose, leyo order, leyo power yenza ukuthi bonke labantu bahlangane ikuphi pho manje? Ila kuwena, and it's constantly directing you ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Mina ngibonile ukuthi ingqondo i-dangerous. Mina ngibonile ukuthi ingqondo i-terrible master, but a very great servant engakuserve. Yabona umqondo, the mind, is the measuring tool, is constantly measuring. I-universe is constant and is immeasurable. That is why mawukholelwa kakhulu ekuphilweni impilo yakho ngomqondo wakho ukuthi yini possible, yini engekho possible, yini ezayo, yini engezi. You are trying to figure out life with your own mind. You become more and more powerless because you are measuring what is immeasurable. You are confining yourself within the box.